Hello artists, Miss Arroyo here again. Today I'm going to be talking to you a little bit about creating value with unconventional materials, taking that a little bit further. So let's take a look at our board. Our goal is unconventional rendering. Rendering is kind of just another fancy word for drawing. When I think of rendering, though, I usually think of shading, just taking it just a little bit more a realistic kind of drawing. How we're going to do that is you're going to use light, medium, and dark values. Remember that means light and darkness of a color. Light, medium, and dark values to draw and shade a 3D subject. So your actual artwork is going to be two-dimensional flat, but you're going to be rendering something that looks three-dimensional. Why? Because shading adds depth. It makes it look really 3D. Remember, that's what the third D is. The third dimension is depth, height, width, and depth. So let's take a look at that with some crazy unconventional materials.
We've learned about 3 basic ways to make a line or a mark: smear, cut, or arrange materials. We've also learned about making different values with our materials. Sometimes it involves using more or less pressure with materials, and other times it involves spreading the materials out more or less in order to control how much white paper or other background shows through. Now we want to combine that knowledge. You are going to render, shade, a 3D subject. You're welcome to keep it simple if you want, like a cube, for instance. Here's a quick review of how to draw a cube. Remember, it's all about parallel lines when you're drawing a box or a cube. And then you can see how a cube would be shaded with light, medium, and dark values. This one's done with pencil. Boo! We want unconventional materials. So here's the same drawing, this time with ketchup. Yay! Now, if you want to challenge yourself more, go for it. Maybe you want to try shading a portrait. Try taking a photograph of your subject with lighting from one side so that you can see the shadows easily. Then, see what you can do with the unconventional medium of your choice. Remember, you're not using different colors. Each of these drawings here is all one color, but you're using different values of that color. In this example with lipstick, I also used a fork to scrape some parts away and add texture and more value range. Then I wrote the name of the color of the lipstick on the top because why not? Right? Get creative, have some fun with it, friends.